Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I welcome you all in ASF Public School and College, Karachi. I'm your teacher, Miss Razia. Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. This is your GK book, World Around Me. Today's our topic is people who help us. Today we are going to learn about the people who help us in our daily life. Okay students, now take out your GK book. Okay my dear students, now open page number 20. People who help us. This is a topic. Now look at the picture. He is a tailor. He is a tailor. A tailor is a person who stitch our clothes. Tailor. He is a traffic policeman. A traffic policeman is a person who controls the traffic. Traffic policeman. He is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. A carpenter is a person who makes and repairs the wooden objects. Carpenter. He is a carpenter. Very good. Now come to the next page. Page number 21. He is a potter. A potter is a person who makes pottery like pots, dishes, and many other things. Potter. He is a porter. Porter. A porter is a person who carries burden or our luggage at railway station, airports, or in hotels. Porter. He is a porter. He is a cobbler. Cobbler. A cobbler is a person who mend and polish our shoes. Cobbler. He is a cobbler. Let's repeat it again. Tailor. He is a tailor. He is a traffic policeman. Traffic policeman. Carpenter. He is a carpenter. Potter. Potter. He is porter. Porter. He is a cobbler. Cobbler. Okay, my dear students, you have to learn the names of the people and their works who help us in our daily life. Okay, students, take care and Allah Hafiz.